this is Nair, my wife Liji, my son and my daughter-in-law Shefali. We have moved into this house a week before and taken a possession sometime in the mid of October. We were looking for a good interior designer. I was not very much keen to get into a good one, but my wife was really behind me. She was the person going through the YouTube. Then she talked about Jay.
हम केरला से, तो मुझे केरला स्टाइल का कुछ पोस्ट लगाने का था.
We had a one-to-one meeting at home. He had given some rough idea about how things should look like. But in the first meeting itself, I had a good idea about Mr. J. I had a feel that he's the right guy for us. Then he gave a proposal. It was basically accepted. Then he started. The very big thing I want to talk about Mr. J is that he is very frank in talking, very honest and very committed. His time management is superb. We had a very tight schedule that my son's marriage was fixed on 4th of February. So wife was saying we should get the house before 20th. He said by 24th the house will be delivered. But luckily, he ensured that the house was delivered on 24th. That was really remarkable work he has done.
According to me, having a dream house is everybody's wish. Once we are building a house, we always wanted to build the best one. Personally speaking, I had a very good feeling about the whole interior process as such. The best thing that I would like to talk about Mr. J is his temperament. We all have divergent point of views, different likings, different ideas towards how the house should be. So end of the day, he delivered an amazing and a fantastic product. And the best part was that you really feel happy when the end product is better than you expected. Genuine happiness is what I'd like to say.
Yes.
The house actually has a very, very warm and positive vibe. I came into this place and really quickly, within a few days, I've spent 3-4 days over here. Got very acclimatized to the surroundings, and I've quickly found my favorite spots in the house. Each room I've noticed has been done very specifically according to everyone's taste.
Not that just because of the personal relationship we built up, it's a quality of work he had demonstrated. We would definitely recommend
मेन जो बजट हमारे बजट के अंदर जे ने किया है.
Yeah, we are quite impressed with the way he has done, and it is fitting within our budget. It's not that only Mr. J is very exemplary designer, but if he doesn't have a hands-on people with him, but that is the real success for him, and I wish him all the best.